At natural gas. Isn't it funny how these things, right around winter time, seem to break out? Look at this. We go back April, May, June, July, August, September, and we're into January. This is on the monthly. All right, look at this. How this price shot up. I go up to 12 bucks. Back here, we were in. This one here. Well, no. November, December, January, April, May, June. Shot up there too, but here we are in September, and looking like this thing is going to get a bounce here. Boy, it loves wedge patterns too. You can see all these wedges. This is on the monthly. All right, this was a falling wedge here. Got a breakout. Didn't hit no targets here, but the falling wedge here. Look at that one. That one was a pretty decent pop. Maybe, well, this probably did hit if you take the measurement. Actually, I'm sorry. This one here definitely did right there. This one here, this might not have technically, you would have took your measurement from here to here, so that would have hit. And if you're interested in learning stuff like that, drawing this stuff out, right now for $14.99. I have a level 3 membership in the description of the video. Click on membership, sign up for level 3. $14.99. I have 10 videos in there right now. I add at least one a week for learning how to trade. Okay, I don't claim to be some trading guru or whatever, but I know quite a bit. I put everything in those videos I know, and for 15 bucks, that's not a bad deal. It's going back up to 25 at the end of the month. So yeah, if you want, snatch them up, take a look at them, man. I guarantee it'll be worth your while. Anyway, we have another falling wedge here forming on natural gas. Okay, we had a breakdown, we had a fake out here, came back up into the pattern. Now we have another. This is probably going to be another fake out. Okay, this could end up being just a big. I'll show you here, a big double bottom. All right, a double bottom is a bullish pattern. Something. Where's my brush at? There it is. Something along the lines of this. I would think. You get your one bottom there, comes up. Your second bottom here, and then your tear out of there. All right, that's what I'm thinking. This isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but falling wedges, 8 out of 10 times head to the top. Okay, you can see the support line in here, the yellow line that is drawn. Look how good a support this thing has been in the past. All right, it has lost it a couple times back here in 2008 and 2014, and ended up through 2015 till it finally got out of there. But I had this pop up. We found this support. Had this pop up, retesting this area. It looks like it has support. Okay, and I'm expecting this thing to bounce up. Let's look at the RSIs on it and see if they line up with anything for a breakout. The monthly. Look at this. Okay, everything just falls together when you put all these tools together and they all say the same thing. It's not me saying it, it's the chart and the tools that I'm using. We have the monthly RSI turning back up and bullish. It's at a 31.9 and a 31.09. You can see the turn up there in the stochastic RSI. Look at that, turning right back up. So what's the weekly? The weekly is at a 41.3 and a 41.6. Okay, now the irregular RSI in the bottom. Do we have bullish divergence or not? Let me pull this up. I apologize, got my mouse way too far away from my computer here. So for some reason my screen's lagging a little. Let's get a look here. Pull this up. No, there's no bullish divergence there. Okay, I was looking to see if we had both of these at the same level, but we don't. All right, but anyway, the weekly is just about ready to turn back up. It's It's at a 41.3 and a 41.6, real close. Daily, the daily it has split bearish at a 75 and an 87. Okay, so we'll see what happens with that. It can turn right back up though and take off. We got the 12-hour actually bearish too at a 73 and an 85, and we got the 4-hour turning back up instead of 55 and a 57. All these are curving back up here. Okay, looks like it's going to be a fake out. I can't see natural gas dumping and losing this because the measured move for this pattern here, if it breaks down, which I don't see that happening, especially with winter coming. Now you can see how valid this is. Look at this green candle here, how it got rejected off the bottom of the trend here. Look at that. Hit it perfectly and has gotten rejected so far. Okay, but if we zoom out on this thing and take a measurement, okay, the measured move down would be ridiculous. I just, yeah, it wouldn't even make sense. Okay, it almost absolutely, in my opinion, points to a breakout. Okay, the measured move. Let's get a measurement of this thing. If it broke down, it wouldn't even make sense. Okay, that would put natural gas at what, 36 cents, 35 cents. Isn't going to happen, especially with winter coming. I see this thing breaking back up into the trend and heading the other way, especially with winter here. Okay, it hasn't. Back here, it played around with this line a little bit, and it could here. It could come back down to the trend line and play around for a couple days or whatever. And but I truly believe that this thing is going to break out. All right, so all right, guys, thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon.